Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Annie J, and today I just wanted to go over 5 things that you need to know about natural nail care. So, 5 expedient things that are important if you keep your natural nails. Stay tuned and I'm gonna be right back.
See the new girl vibe, she in her stride. She goes side to side, she goes tap, 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 tap. See the new girl vibe.
Okay guys, so point 1 of 5. Natural nails are always going to be susceptible to breakage, okay? So do not be disheartened if you are growing your nails and you lose one. That has happened to me so many times. If you look at my nails, you see that? Or maybe this way. You will see that my nails are not all the same length, guys, okay? They're not all the same length. However, that said, my nails still look very presentable. So that's why I'm saying with natural nails, breakage is going to happen. Don't let that put you off the natural nail journey. Continue, because your nails are natural, okay? The reason why people go for acrylics and things like that is because they're so hard. They're almost indestructible. It takes a lot to break an acrylic nail. But with your natural nails, they're natural. So they're softer than acrylics, and breakage is just a part of life. So don't let it put you off if you do lose a nail here or there, okay? Continue the natural nail care journey. Number 2, if you can, make sure that you are using a good nail hardener or natural remedies or nail cream. You guys have seen me pop up a nail Mavala cream that I use, which is good for restoring and repairing the nail, the beds and all of that. And I also use nail hardener. Now, I have toned down how much I use my nail hardener because my nails are at a point where they are very strong now. So I don't want to overkill, basically. So if your nails are very damaged and you're in the process of using nail hardener so that you can improve the strength of your nails and get it to a certain point, then that's fine. And once your nails are back and restored effectively, then you can start to tone down the nail hardener usage. But like I say, you know, nail creams, oils, I am actually going to start using home remedies like serums that I can put together myself with natural products, you know, with oils and things like that. So I will keep you guys posted on that. But it is important to take care of your nails the same way that you take care of your skin. You do have to show the same level of attention and care to your nails too. In addition to that, if you are not going to wear colour polish, at least put on clear polish. I know some people just like to have just their nails. Now, the reason why I say that is because using clear polish is like effectively having a film of protection on your nails, similar to your phone. You know, everyone has protective screens and things like that. So with your nails, having clear polish just acts as a coat of protection for your nail. At least just a base coat, a top coat, and that's it. Point number 3, always protect your nails when you are doing household chores or your hair or you're packing or you're traveling. Okay, traveling is actually quite tricky because you're not going to be walking around the airport with latex gloves on. But for everything else, so household chores, doing your hair, latex gloves are the ones, guys. I've spoken about this in one of my previous nail videos where I talk about loads of different steps in terms of looking after your nails. Protecting your nails with latex gloves, or if you're allergic, non-latex gloves is really helpful. So if you've got afro hair like myself, or your hair is thick, bushy, you tend to brush through it and things like that. I find sometimes that the coarseness of my hair will just catch my nail and it can just cause a chip. And then from that chip, I then get breakage. So this is why using some sort of protection on your hands is really expedient and important. Or you can use rubber gloves if you're washing the dishes or you're cleaning the bathroom. Just make sure that you do protect your nails, because obviously your nails are going to bear the brunt of everything that you are doing, and it can cause breakage or it can cause them to get softer and things like that, and we don't want that. So make sure you always protect your nails when you are doing certain chores and activities around the house or yourself, your beauty and things like that. Number 4, carry a nail file at all times, okay? I know I went over this before, but the reason why this is in my top 5 list is because it's that important. When you're out and maybe you catch your nail on something and it chips your nail, it is so useful to have a nail file in your bag so that you can instantly just file away at the blunt edge, corner, chip. It makes such a difference. So if you go out in your car, what have you, just keep a nail file with you, guys. Nail files have saved me on so many occasions from losing so much of my nail growth, because I was instantly able to just file down the chipped area and just work with it, shape it. Bob's your uncle, Sally's your aunt, and I'm off with what I'm doing. Carry a nail file with you if you can. It's important. It's better to be prepared than to have to get ready to prepare yourself and things go left. Because what we're not trying to do is lose our nail growth. And lastly, point number 5. Now, this is a new one even for me. I would encourage you once in a while to get a professional manicure and pedicure. Unless you are a nail technician yourself, professional nail technicians know exactly how to treat the nails. You know, they get rid of the excess skin on around the edge of the bed of the nail. They file it properly. If you're not good at filing to shape like myself, you guys have seen me file, and I normally just file it so that it just looks appropriate and there's no blunt edges. But with a nail technician, they can file it to the shape that you actually want. And you know what, when you go and they do that, it's actually easier to maintain that shape yourself later as your nails continue to grow. So if you are able to, I would definitely encourage you to visit a professional nail technician, maybe once a month if it is affordable, or at the very worst once every 2 months. Get your nails, your hands, get them treated, get them done, get them professionally coated. I actually went to a professional nail technician today, and hence my nails are looking like this and looking super presentable. Don't they look really pretty, guys? Okay, so that is why I am saying. So just a quick recap. Number 1, your nails are natural. They are likely to experience breakages. You might have different lengths. Don't let that discourage you. Number 2, ensure you're always treating your nails with nail cream or nail hardener if your nails are softer or you're now reverting from some nail damage that you've had. Just keep up that practice. Look after your nails the same way you look after your skin. Number 3, always protect your nails when you're doing household chores. Wear latex gloves, non-latex gloves, rubber gloves, whatever the case. And if you've got thick, coarse hair like myself, make sure that you are wearing some gloves whilst you're combing through so that you just avoid any sort of splits in your nails. Number 4, make sure you carry a nail file at all times. It is so helpful. And not last but least, number 5, when you can afford it, do visit a professional nail technician at least once a month or once every 2 months and get everything seen to professionally if you are not a nail technician yourself like me. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for this video in terms of my nails. Like I said, they're looking good, they're looking healthy. I experienced quite a bit of breakage when I went abroad in July, and suitcases, yep. So I lost quite a few nails, but since then I've been still been looking after them. I always do. And today I decided that I would go and get a professional manicure and pedicure, and my nails are looking really good. I've already had people say to me, oh, your nails look fine. And when I tell them that they're my real nails, they're very surprised. So it is definitely worth the investment. If you've got any comments or questions, please don't forget to let me know. If you're a veteran to my channel, guys, I've got love for you. And if you're new to my channel, please do stick around. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It's your girl, Miss Annie J, and I will be back with further hints and tips at some point. Alright guys, take care of yourself. It's Miss Annie J. Bye.